just feel like, whew, like a brand new woman.
Peace and love, I wish you peace and love.
What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Kayla, and this is the Soul Trip. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Join my soul tribe. I hope you do decide to stay. In today's video, I am showing you all about how I take care of my womb, my yoni, and I am doing a yoni steam. And you can do your own yoni steams at home like I do. This kit I got from Amazon, and it does come with like a yoni seat that you can put over your toilet. And it comes with the herbs for the yoni steam. In this package, it has red rose buds and petals, lavender flowers, chamomile flowers, calendula flowers, if I'm saying that right, rosemary leaf, and basil leaf. And I also have some raspberry leaf and some mugwort that I add to this yoni steam as well. But guys, it smells so freaking good. And a little goes a long way, so this is gonna last me a very long time. And I've already done this like 3 times already. But if you all don't know, or if you're new to yoni steaming, I mean, it's everything. I just feel like, whew, like a brand new woman. And I just feel so clean. I feel so fresh. I feel so tight. I feel so right. And I'm just all about taking care of my womb, taking care of my yoni right now. And it's beautiful. Like, every woman should want to take care of her womb, her yoni. So get into these yoni steams. You can do it before you come on your period to help alleviate cramps and PMS and other symptoms. You can do it right after your period to just get that excess, you know, gunk out of you. And there's a lot of benefits to doing yoni steams. I will put that somewhere here on the screen because I don't know all of them off the top of my head. I just know it makes me feel really connected to my womb, and it just really helps me to tap into my feminine side. So that's why I like doing yoni steams. And if you all don't know, I'm also going through a sisterhood healing of the womb course right now, where we are using Queen Afua's Sacred Woman book. So I will have more to come on that as I go through the course. But while I do my yoni steam, since I'm in that course for this book, I pick up the book and I pick up my journal and I have my crystals, and I just have a whole me session, and it's beautiful.
I love my vagina.
And these are the crystals that I have with me. These are my favorite crystals to keep with me when I'm doing any type of yoni, feminine womb work. This is a rainbow moonstone, a rose quartz crystal, and selenite. So anyways, while the blend is still simmering and while it's kind of cooling off, I'm just gonna go ahead and take off this makeup, put up my hair, and just get really comfortable. We're about to do some womb work. If you know, you know. What a feeling. If you know, you know. Once the seed is ready, once the blend is done, and once I have my hair up and I'm all comfortable, I'll be back in just a few. All right, I just wanted to hop back in here real quick to spread some love to you all wherever you are in this world. I hope you feel loved. I hope you feel appreciated. I hope you feel beautiful. I hope that you know you are powerful. You are here for a reason. And yeah, I'll be back. Oh yeah, look at that good yoni steam blend. You see all that steam coming from it? You do not want to sit on a toilet at this point. So now you take a towel or a bathrobe, whatever you feel comfortable with, and you just sit. Oh, peace at last, peace at last, peace at last. So good, you guys. This is so relaxing. So peaceful. I just have my womb, my yoni open, and I'm just allowing the herbs, the steam, the love to just rise up in me. And I take my crystals, I place them like in my lap so they're near my womb, and they're also bringing healing properties to my womb. And you can turn on whatever relaxation music you want. You can turn on some meditation music, self-care music. You can turn up it's your time, so make it your time. For me, I love some good classical music. I love flute meditation music. So that's what I'll listen to. Again, I have my book and I have my journal. So I'm just about to go to work. I may do some womb writing. If you want a video on how to do womb writing or what to write to your womb or what that's all about, comment below. I can make that for you. Or you can journal whatever. You can journal to release the day you've just had. You can journal your goals, whatever you like. This is your time. Make it sacred. Make it about you. I make this time about just my womb and my healing and my sacred feminine energy. So that's what this time is about. So yeah, I'll holler at you in a bit. Oh, I forgot to say, you really can stay on here as long as you want or until you don't feel heat anymore, but it's recommended that you do about 30 to 45 minutes. Okay guys, so my camera is about to die, so I wanted to go ahead and end this video even though I still have a bit left on this seat. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you got some insight. Comment below if you already Yoni steam or if you're curious to try a Yoni steam, and if you're looking for a Yoni steam to try at home, definitely check out the one that's in my description. Like I said, I'm linking this because game changer. You don't have to wait to go to a spa. Can you even go to a spa right now? Take care of yourself. Take care of your yoni. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And stay tuned for the next. Peace and love.